Hey everybody, this is it's the GTA Group Therapy Arsenal. I'm with Short from Short Arms, and we're gonna ask him a few questions about his up and coming events here in Ocala or around the area of Florida. What's your next event?
Next weekend, Ocala Shriners Club got a gun show going on.
Okay.
I'll be set up there selling guns.
Um, I talked about a little bit during my video about the different calibers you brought out here, and what calibers and what kind of firearms do you have there that right now, if somebody goes to the gun show, can pick up right away?
I got the Colt in a 308 bolt action rifle, scoped, bipod. I've got the 265 Creedmoors, the Tequila,
Yeah,
Torca, yeah. They both have scopes on them, bipods ready to go. Take them straight to the range.
That's nice. That's nice.
Several ARs, just about every pistol you could think of.
That is true.
Got a bunch of pistols.
That is true, and custom made ones that are beautiful, actually.
Yes.
Let's see. What else do you do with Short Arms with your company? Do you do armor work? Do you stuff like that?
I customize Glocks, trigger work. If you come out to the show, I got 3 Glocks, all 3 of them stock factory triggers, but they're all completely different because of the modifications done to them. They're all 100% safe. Just the length of the pull's different on them and the poundage on the trigger.
Which I'm going to get my AR done, which she's been hassling me about getting it done, trigger work on that from custom stock trigger that came with it. Do a video on that, but I just wanted to have this video out so Short from Short Arms, one of my sponsors of the show, can actually give you some insight of what the future looks like with Short Arms and what he has and what the different shows that are coming up. Again, this is Short Arms, Short from Short Arms. Thank you for watching the show. Please like and subscribe. And if you're out there, go to the Ocala Shriners Club next weekend on Mary Camp. He'll be out there. My good buddy Austin, another sponsor of my show, deals with ammo with Ammo AA. He's out of Wauchula, Florida. And also, too, check out the next feature of the different types of ammo from Austin that we're going to be setting up of different calibers and 308 and 6.5. Please like and subscribe, and also check out www.shortarms.org. Is that correct?
Yep, that's correct. That's the website.
Check out his website. If he doesn't have it, he'll find it. Thank you.